We're going to get lucky with temperatures out in the triple digits for the opening of the state fair, so that's nice. But let's talk about what's going to go on this weekend. And we did issue an alert for strong to severe storms possible late Sunday afternoon into the evening hours. Threats are going to be damaging winds, large hail. Now, the highest threats along the Metroplex and south, periods of heavy rain are going to be likely. So we're talking about the large hail, the damaging winds, and also maybe a flooding risk. Some localized areas, we could see some flooding if we get some quick downbursts of some heavy rain moving through. The other story that we're talking about as well is, we're dealing with the humidity back. Your muggy meter, it is in the very humid category through today, through the weekend, dropping off a bit on Tuesday and Wednesday as we have the cold front finally moving through and cooling us back down. So where are we sitting right now? As you take a look at the first alert futurecast, well, as we go into tonight and into tomorrow, not too bad. I do expect to see maybe a couple of showers and storms trying to develop out to the west for tomorrow, but then late on Sunday, that's when we really see the activity develop, and you're able to see more that the severe threat for Sunday is that slight risk of severe storms. So it does include most of North Texas. That's that level 2 out of level 5. I expect the storms to be developing right along parts of the 20 corridor and then pushing their way down to the south 4, 5, 6 in the afternoon to then the evening hours, and then continue to spread out a little bit more as we go through the evening. So the potential rainfall, we could see in some spots as much as 3 inches of rain. So that's why I also want you to pay attention to of those typical areas in your neighborhood that flood easily with some heavy rain. That could happen, and in some spots maybe a half of an inch of rain. Right now, not raining on the first alert. Satellite and radar combined, we are quiet. We saw a mainly clear day today, a really hot day at 98 degrees. So we're now down to 88 degrees with a southeast wind at 13, feeling like the low 90s. Across the Metroplex, our temperatures right now are sitting in the mid 80s to the low 80s in some spots, even the 70s off towards the northeast, where we did see more cloud cover and a little bit of rain earlier today. So overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, down into the upper 70s. We're going to be seeing our temperatures then climb their way back up to 93, 95 to the 97 degrees tomorrow, feeling even hotter than that. It could feel like 102 to 101 for tomorrow afternoon, and then the same story going into Sunday. We're going to see temperatures feeling like maybe 102 degrees. So it's going to be humid. Then the front's going to move through. So we are alerting you to the fact that Sunday's humid, chance of strong storms, and then Monday to Tuesday, upper 80s. By the time we go to the state fair, 91 degrees, lots of sunshine, and all that good food. You're watching CBS News Texas. We'll be right back.